Hello, welcome. I welcome all of you to CLAD Gurukul once again, and I am Nilanjan, the teacher of English over here. And today I have brought passage number 5 and along with the explanation. Right. So get ready with that question paper along the passage, and I'll be discussing all the explanation part right now. It's a wonderful passage which has been taken from The Woman at Platform Number 8, and it is written by Ruskin Bond. Right. Now, if you go through the paragraph or rather the passage, you will come to know that basically this passage is describing the love and affection transcending all the barriers of kinship. Okay. Now, going through within the quickest possible time, I am just going through the first part of the passage so that you will get to know that what is the passage all about. As the carriage doors opened, a tide of people would sweep down upon the nervous little ticket collector at the gate. And every time this happened, I would be caught in the rush and swept outside the station. So basically, it is being narrated by a particular person, and all the incidents have already been explicitly described throughout the passage, right? So it's more or less, if somebody is asking that what is the level of the passage, I must say that it is very easy. Without wasting time, let us go to question number 1. Okay. Now, it is asking which quality of the woman attracted the narrator. So, basically, the question is asking the quality of woman attracted the narrator. Narrator को कौन ऐसा quality woman का है जो attract किया. Okay. So, going through the option, you will come to know. Option A, her gentle behavior. Option B, simplicity of her dress. Option C, serenity of her face. And last option, it is written all of the above. Now, if you are going through the option, I must say that in the third paragraph, this one, I am just underlining it, this one. In the third paragraph, you will come to know this one. For the simplicity of her dress and for her deep, soft voice and serenity of her face. So, going through the option, basically, what you have come to know that all the options A, B, C, all the options are included in paragraph 3. At the end of the paragraph 3 in that particular line which has already been underlined by me, right? So, considering this particular fact, your correct answer will be all of the above, because gentle behavior, simplicity of her dress, serenity of her face, all the things have been clearly mentioned over here and have already underlined. So, from that, the correct answer is definitely going to be option D. Fine. Moving to question number 2. What was the feeling of the boy when he was sitting on the platform? Okay, boys का क्या feel, boy उस time क्या feel कर रहा था जब वो platform में बैठा हुआ था? So for that, for finding out the answer, you will have to go to the first paragraph. You will come to know that here are certain things which has already been written. Like I sat on my suitcase and gazed dismally the railway tracks. Okay, and the last line you will come to know it is written, continued to stare across the railway tracks. Feeling bored and a little lonely. So, if you are talking about the feeling of that particular boy, it is clearly mentioned over here that feeling bored. उनको monotony feel हो रहा था, right? So, going to the option A, he was perplexed, it should not be there. He was enjoying the scene at the railway platform, it cannot be. He started feeling bored, that is exactly written in this particular line which has already been underlined, first paragraph, last line, feeling bored, and that is the answer. Okay, and the option D, he was praying to God. There is no way that to select that particular answer. Okay, so the correct answer I am taking it out, option C. Moving to question number 3. What is tone of the author? Author का tone क्या था? Okay, number of times I have told you that it is an important question which is being asked by the CLAT authority, that what should be the tone of the author. Basically, in this type of question is asking the attitude of the author. Okay, if you are asking the attitude or the tone of the author, it means that in which way, what is his perception, from on which ground he is presenting this particular fact. And going through the option, here first option it is said didactic. Now, what do you mean by the word didactic? Didactic basically means instructional. So, if the author is instructing something to the reader, then definitely you should consider it as didactic. But is it so? No, not like that. Option B, acerbic. It means caustic ya harsh. At any point of time, do you feel that the author is in harsh mood? No, he is just narrating the story. So there is no chance of getting harsh statement or presenting the harsh one. So it should not be acerbic as well. Option C, it is written descriptive. Now there is a difference between descriptive and narrative. Descriptive full of adjectives and in a larger scale it has the incident should be described, but actually it is being narrated by somebody else and representing the actual incident that happened, right? So more or less it should be option D, that is narrative. It has been narrated by the author. Okay, moving to question number 4. Question is asking, I began to thaw and take a new interest in this kind woman. Which of the following words can replace the word thaw? So for that particular word, if in the line, if you go through the line, you will come to know, I began to thaw and take a new interest in this kind of woman. First one, thoughtful. Do you think that it is talking about the thoughtfulness of the author? No. Next one, depressed. Is it talking about the sad condition or depressed condition? No. Next is relaxed. Now, basically, you have to come to know that what is the meaning of the word thaw. Thaw का मतलब क्या होता है? Basically, thaw का मतलब होता है without having any kind of tension, in a very comfortable way, in a very relaxed way. So, identically, the word relaxed is mentioned in option C. That's why the correct answer will be definitely option C, and it is written relaxed. So I am taking it out. And option D, astonished, it means surprised. So I don't think the thaw means surprised. Here it is talking about the relaxed attitude, the friendly attitude or the affable nature. Okay, that's why we are going to select option C as the correct answer. The last question of the passage, question number 5. Which set of prepositions can replace hashtag in the highlighted sentence? And for finding the answer, you have to get back to that particular line so that you can get to know. Okay. And here is the line. The line is saying that I sat, then hashtag is there, on my suitcase and gazed dismally, then hashtag the railway tracks. So two hashtags are included in that particular line, and you have to select that what should be the actual preposition or rather the appropriate preposition. So I sat down on my suitcase and gazed dismally across the railway tracks. Sat down. So first preposition, automatically it should be down, and after that if you move, then you will find that it is written dismally dash the railway tracks. Actually if somebody is gazing at something, it should be gazing across, right? So here the option is that it is written down and then it should be across the railway platform. So correct answer will be option B. Sit down, rather sat down and gazed across. So here I end the first explanation of daily practice sheet number 5. Okay, I am pretty sure that you people are not going to have any kind of problem or you don't have any doubt regarding this particular passage.